Hello my friends, welcome back. Welcome to a very late Mask Monday. Happy Mask Monday! Let me get my mask on. And just like that, we have a mask. Today I'm using the Glam Glow Berry Glow mask. It's a probiotic recovery mask because I need some recovery. I am just tired. Work and all the things, and I'm exhausted today, so I thought maybe this would be a great pick-me-up to make me glowy. Okay, this Mask Monday is going to be a little different. I thought maybe I would use this time for y'all to kind of get to know me a little bit better. I have had quite a few of my subscribers ask me about my art. Since I have mentioned in many videos that I'm an artist, people have inquired as to what kind of art I would do. So I'm going to use this Mask Monday video as a show and tell, if you will, and show you some of my art. I'd like to welcome all of my new subscribers. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. And if you're new to Mask Monday is a ladies collab. You can search hashtag maskmondayladies in the YouTube search and you will find a plethora of Mask Monday videos. There are upwards of 68 different channels that participate in Mask Mondays. So let's get right on into it. I'm playing around with my camera. I have a new stand. I don't know if the camera's in the right place. I don't know if the lighting's right. I'm not sure if the lighting will show up these pieces very well, but we'll give it our best shot. So one of the things that I do is I make clay jewelry. These are made out of polymer clay. This is a pair of earrings, I'm sure y'all can tell. And here is another set of earrings. I'm hoping that's picking it up and it's not blurry. I can't quite tell. And now you'll see that some of these pieces are on these little cards because I do shows sometimes and I do sell my art pieces. I'm not trying to sell any of you my art, I'm just sharing. This is the sun and moon. This is also clay. That's the tree of life. And this is a dragonfly. And they're hollow, as you can see. And each piece has my art stamp on them. This is Hansa. There we go. That's a heart. I actually have several of those. And this is a necklace, but it has a piece of raw natural tiger's eye in it. And this is a piece of silk, the necklace part. And this is also clay. It's like a quilted piece of clay. And then I have several bracelets. There we go. And these have like a magnetic clasp on them. And here's a little trinket bowl. And they have my signature dragonfly with my initials on the back. And I have these little owls that have a paint pour in their belly. And I also made some little, these are made out of clay as well. These are bone beads. Just a little sun catcher hang around thingy. And this is a clay heart. And here's another little small clay heart. And one more. There's another clay heart. And this is made out of clay as well. This is just a little peace sign. And here's a flower. Just a little hippie flower. I actually have the earrings to go along with that. And here's another necklace made also out of clay. And one more little hang around. This is an owl with just some little beads. And here are those little flower earrings that I was telling you about. So those are all of the, not all of them, but some of the jewelry pieces that I made. And along with that, I also do acrylic paintings. I have some paintings hanging up in my house that I did take the camera and walk around. I will show you those too, maybe at the end or in between these that I have here. This is a tree goddess and a spider web. This is Buddha and a lotus flower. And this is a paint pour, an acrylic paint pour. And this is a mixed media piece that I did. It has the infinity symbol on it. It's tissue paper and acrylic paint. And this is, oh gosh, I can't remember what it's called. And this beautiful acrylic painting my granddaughter did and gave it to me last year when they came to visit me here in Missouri. And this is a paint pour that I did where I poured the paint into the shape of a feather. This is a charcoal pencil drawing that I did, obviously of a woman's face. And this is a paint pour as well, but when I was done with it, it looked like a peacock feather, so I added this piece here to kind of make it look like a peacock feather. I hope that the glare from the lights is not washing it all out. This is another acrylic paint pour, and I love how that looks like a flower right there. Very pretty. And above it is, I'm trying to get some light, it's very dark in here, is a acrylic exercise that I did. It's butterfly wing on an eye. And over here we have another acrylic pour. And then hopefully this won't make you dizzy. This is a acrylic pour as well, a butterfly, obviously. And then here, oh, I'm stepping on stuff. This is an acrylic painting that I did. It's called The Chair. And this is my coffee table that I did an acrylic pour on. It's just a old glass wooden table. And those are all the kitty cat toys. There's the other table that I did too. This is a Christmas spider that I made. It's made out of beads. And this is a wall hanging. The leaves are hand drawn and cut, painted. And that's just a real oak leaf that I did a drawing on. Just beads and baubles and things. Maybe you can see it better without the light. This is a self-portrait that I did. We're in my art room now. We're getting into the messy part. And that is a pencil drawing that I did. And that dragon, Christopher did for me. It's a dot painting. And my jar buttons in the neighbor's house. And there's another charcoal pencil drawing. And a spirit doll that I made. And then that is a acrylic mixed media piece. And this is one of my favorites. A mask tells us more than a face. How perfect for Mask Monday, huh? And another mixed media piece. And my little kitty cat in the window. And there's me as a baby. Ain't I cute? And these are wooden letters that I did mixed media on to remind me to always create. You can see they have mixed media on them. Seashells and keys and gears. And there's another self-portrait. And there's an angel. And there's Dexter. Hi, Dexter. Hi, Dexter. And there's a bird. I don't know how well that's picking up. And this is Dexter's spot on my shelf that he likes to lay on. And here's another paint pour feather. Maybe I should turn it this way. Oof. Lordy Lou. It has the arrows painted on it. And this is a geisha girl. This is a paint pour dream catcher. And this is a dream catcher with some feathers and a bird. Getting into the larger pieces now. I don't know that they'll all show. This is a paint pour as well. And on this one here, I have a saying. It says, "The best things in life are the people we love, the places we've been, and the memories we've made along the way." I'm running out of room. This is a chakra painting. It has all the colors of the chakra in it. It is as well a paint pouring. Here is another paint pouring, and it has the flower pattern. It is a textured flower pattern on it. And the last one is Mr. Owl in his tree. So there you have it, some of my art pieces. And I'm going to pause for a moment and remove this berry glow from my face because it is itching and it's starting to burn just a little bit. Does that mean it's working its magic? I don't know, but I'll be right back. So my face feels nice and soft. I'm not sure that it looks any less tired, but that's okay. It still felt good to put something on my face and kind of pamper myself for a few minutes. I hope you enjoyed my little art show and getting to know just a little bit more about me behind the scenes. I love creating art, and that is one of the reasons why makeup was so appealing to me, because I paint on canvas and I also paint on my face. So thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me to let me pamper myself and give you a little bit of an art show so that you could get to know me a little bit better. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button and ring that notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a Mask Monday video. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It sure would make my day. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, you see my pretty hippie flower earrings? Those are for you. We're going to get your ears pierced when you get here in June, okay? Mama loves you, boo.